Don't turn off the lights. I don't wanna fight with you.
It's quite surprising how we're in the middle of a jungle near a beautiful waterfall and all this disgusting rubbish.
I'm gonna go swim in the river.
It's a little food shack we've just visited. Just bought, we don't actually know what we just bought, 2,000 real, which is 50 cents. They were fried in oil on a little mini stove in the middle of a jungle. And we're going to give them a little go. You never know. Most remote places that you buy food sometimes is the best. We'll take a little video of us all trying a bit in a minute. You get a little bag of fresh cucumber and sauces. And if you can see, these are like little deep fried spring rolls, I suppose, crispy spring rolls, and wrapped in a banana leaf. I mean, they look pretty appetising. So, wish us luck. So these are what they look like mini sausages wrapped in batter. So Annabelle's going to go first, and Gracie May.
I can't eat it.
She's lost a tooth, so.
What do they taste like?
So far, I can like smell something inside. It looks like it's got rice inside. What's inside? Is it chicken?
Crispy.
I don't know. I think it's rice.
I got it. Hot! I got it hot! It's chicken. It's chicken. There's chicken inside. Look.
Where?
There's chicken.
I mean, it's some kind of.
It's chicken inside.
You can see it now. A bit blurry, but it's like a rice sort of chicken meal.
Chicken.
Annabelle, is it good?
No.
Oh, good.
I like it.
You don't like it? Annabelle, you don't like it?
What?
Really nice.
Yeah, really nice.
No, it's not nice.
Well, you never know. As you say, find something in a jungle and you like it.
Hold me tight. Could you hold me tight? Could you hold me tight? Don't turn off the lights. I don't wanna fight with you.